Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good. So I come here with a new video of making cartoon. Today I decide to make a cartoon of Neymar. I take the picture from Google. I thought I would make the cartoon in Illustrator. So I put the cartoon directly in Illustrator. Now select the brush tool and start making brush all over the picture in new layer. I will try to trace all body shapes and body curves. So all finish. Now step 2. Heart shadow. Heart shadow is the shadow of same color. I am trying to make it for all shapes. Keep doing until it finish. At last, it finished. Take a new layer and take a copy in this new layer and close the eye. Then color the picture. For coloring, the easiest way is put all in a shape and go to the Pathfinder tool and divide. That's it. Now ungroup and delete all extra parts. So all shapes are colored. Now time for light shadow. Select brush tool and start making shadow. Don't worry about the border. We have a copy, so don't worry. So all done. Open the eye of the copy layer. I want different color on every word, so I am trying to do it. First I thought I need to cut all again. Then I find a copy of the words. I want the letters look like cartoony, so I am trying to do it. So here it is. Please leave a comment, all Neymar fans. Thanks for watching my video. Please share my video and subscribe my channel for more video. See you next day.